Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the Logitech MX Master 3S, and for further ado, let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. As some of you guys know, I've been rocking the Logitech MX Master 3 for almost a year right now. Now this kind of mouse, it's really top notch. It's really kind of awesome. It gives you bunch of features throughout it, and you're gonna just enjoy them throughout using it. Now the number one thing which I love about this mouse is the way you just program each kind of key to work with the certain software you want to. Like, especially like me, I'm doing video editing and even doing designing, so it's really coming in handy whenever I'm using it. And another kind of stuff, it's really kind of comfortable whenever you're resting it on your hand, and that's kind of like a cool stuff which it's top notch. And another kind of stuff which it's so great, that the scrolling, you can interchange the scrolling to smooth scrolling and to hard scrolling, which it's really kind of dope here Logitech did. Now throughout this kind of mouse compared to the Logitech MX Master 3S, well, Logitech MX Master 3S, as at first glance we are seeing it. So guys, let's talk about the Logitech MX Master 3S specification. Well, this kind of mouse, it has a laser type of sensor, which is really kind of great, and it uses the sensor model, which is a dark field sensor, and on top of it, it has 8000 dpi, which is really kind of great. You can connect up to 3 devices, and alongside it, it uses the Logi Bolt, which is like the unifying, but it a little bit like different through naming, which is called the Logi Bolt. Another kind of stuff, it gives you 7 programmable buttons plus the scrolling wheel, which is really kind of top notch. Another kind of stuff throughout it, the weight, it's 0.31 pounds, or you can call it 141 grams throughout it, which is really kind of dope. The colors option which it comes with it, there is black, graphite and light gray, which is really kind of great throughout this kind of mouse. It gives the charging up to 70 days, which it's really kind of great. On top of it, it uses the USB Type-C. Now giving it a comparison between the MX Master 3S and MX Master, well, it's really kind of great, all of them. The only difference I can say, it's all about the DPI. That's the only difference between this kind of mouse, and the pricing wise, they're all just the same pricing wise, so there is no any kind of differentiation between the pricing. They're all having the same price, which it's $9.99, which is equivalent just to $100 USD, which is really kind of great throughout the MX Master. So for the professional, this is the mouse which I recommend. Guessing the 8K optical sensor. Now you might be asking yourself, what's that? What is it? Well, the 8K optical sensor, it's a new sensor which gives the mouse more DP. Now, more DP, it's depth throughout it here on the sensor side, so it goes to up to 8,000 dp, which is really kind of top notch. But the MX Master 3 goes to 4,000 dp, which it's really still a top notch mouse up to today. So comparing it between these two, as you can see at the first glance, is the DP, which it gives it more enhancement throughout the field of the sensor on your surface. So guys, a quick question comes between the MX Master 3 and the MX Master 3S. Well, as we can see, the MX Master 3 still it's a really kind of great and amazing mouse out there, but the MX Master 3S gives you the 8K precision, while this one, I can call it gives you the 4K precision. Now between both of these kind of two mouses, we can see the form factor is just the same, everything entirely is just the same. The only kind of difference throughout this kind of mouse, it's all about the DPI. Now more precision, I agree, but sticking with your MX Master, the 3 one, it's really kind of dope too, because it gives you much better enhancement still, and user capability is just the same as the MX Master 3S. Now I understand DPI plays a big role throughout different surface, but if you use to your mouse throughout the same surface, it's really kind of dope still. So I give it a go throughout this kind of Logitech MX Master 3, and I'm still thinking upgrading to the MX Master 3S is just the capability of giving you different variety of colors. Just know on the MX Master 3 it's limited with just 2 colors, meanwhile on the MX Master 3S it has 3 colors. Throughout this kind of mouse, it's really coming in handy because of its own kind of ergonomic, and I think if you have the MX Master 3, you have no need to upgrade to the MX Master 3S. Let's be honest, 8K DPI. I don't know if you want to just use the mouse on the glass. I don't know, each kind of us, we know how much capability of your usage you're using it, but when it comes to me, to be honest, I just have my own kind of mat for the mouse and slap it on the table using my mouse. It's really seamless, and I'm enjoying the MX Master 3 because of any kind of surface capability. It does not give me any error, and it's really kind of seamless when it comes to the Logitech flow, copying files between one machine to another machine. It's really seamless. So I'm still giving it a go. There's no need of upgrading to the MX Master 3S, but if you don't have a mouse entirely and you're planning to buy the MX Master 3, well, there you go. You are having the MX Master 3S on the new lineup of the mouse, and you can upgrade it and use it, and it will be much better. So that's what's up about the video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Are you like thinking about switching mouse and getting the Logitech MX Master 3? Because this kind of mouse is a professional mouse for professional designers, video editors, and that's it. It's really kind of dope. So that's what's up. So that's what's up, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys, and peace.